What if I told you, you're not living in the moment you think you are? The world you see? It's a carefully crafted illusion, built by your brain, behind your back. Let's unravel the biggest lie you've never noticed. Look around you. Everything feels so clear, so present, so real. But it's not. Your brain isn't showing you the world. It's showing you a story, one it makes up, moment by moment. It edits your memories while they're happening. It mixes timelines. It deletes raw data, and replaces it with predictions. You're not experiencing the truth. You're experiencing the version your brain wants you to see. So what's real? And more importantly, who's really in control? Let's talk vision. Our primary window to the world. But here's the twist. Only a tiny part of your visual field is in high definition. The rest? A blurry mess. If it doesn't feel blurry, that's because your brain is cheating. Your eyes make 3 to 4 rapid jumps per second. They're called saccades, capturing scattered snapshots of your surroundings. During each jump, you're effectively blind, for about 2 hours every single day. So what do you see in that blackout? Your brain fills the void. It guesses. It forges a seamless reality from chaos. What you call sight is mostly memory and prediction. Let's go deeper. Picture this. You stir a spoon into coffee. The sound hits your ears. The light hits your eyes. The warmth touches your fingers. But none of that happens at the same time. Each signal travels at different speeds, through different channels. And yet, you feel them together, as one smooth moment. That moment? It's a fiction. A backdated highlight reel your brain stitched together from the past. You think you're living in the present? Try half a second behind real time. Except, it gets even stranger. Let's crank up the speed. Imagine you're a pro table tennis player. The ball is flying toward you at 25 meters per second. By the time your brain processes its location, it's already too late. So your brain cheats again. It predicts where the ball will be, and shows you that instead. You're not seeing the real ball, you're seeing a forecast, a simulation, and reacting to it? Even before your opponent finishes their swing. Your brain prepares multiple versions of you, each ready to jump left, right, or block. But only one survives. Only one version becomes real. The rest? Erased. And you? You think you chose, when in reality, your body already acted before you were even aware. Think that only applies to sports? Think again. Even walking, something you do without thinking, is powered by time travel. Your brain calculates your next step, before your current one has even finished. It's already predicting the next 2 moves, before the signal from your foot even reaches your brain. And if something goes wrong, like slipping on a banana peel, you don't fall right away. Why? Because your spinal cord reacts faster than your brain. It detects imbalance, executes emergency routines, and starts recovery before you even realize you're falling. You feel like you're in control. We like to think there's a single you watching the world, a captain in a control room. But the truth? You're a mosaic. Different parts of your body, brain, and spine act on their own timelines, making decisions independently, often without your input. Even your emotions? Not reactions. Predictions. Your brain guesses how you should feel, then makes your body feel it. That anxiety before a party? That sudden hunger at noon? Those aren't responses. They're scheduled programs. Your brain isn't waiting to see what happens. It's deciding what will happen, and then making it real. So if your brain controls what you see, what you feel, how you move, what's left for you to do? Quite a lot, actually. You may not be the commander, but you are the author. Your conscious mind tells the story. It sets the long-term vision. It edits the predictions. It's the voice that says, maybe this time will be different. Maybe I'm not afraid anymore. Maybe I'm more than just habits and reflexes. And your brain listens. Eventually, it rewrites the script. So no, you're not just a passenger. You're the one holding the map. So now that you know, your vision is fake. Your time is delayed. Your emotions are scripted. What is real? Maybe nothing. Or maybe, the realest thing is the story you choose to believe. Which version of you will you wake up as tomorrow? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to see how deep this illusion goes, click here for our next episode. You're already living in the future. Might as well explore it.